Hey guys, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to speak about a very powerful tip about exponents. But before we start, hit the subscribe button so you can watch amazing tips in the future. Well, the thing about this question is that neither the calculator or logs can do it. But instead of trying to isolate the variables, think about adjusting the 90 with the same numbers of the base of the variables, and start by changing 90 into 9 times 10, and then the 9 into 3 squared, and the 10 into 2 times 5. Remember guys, by picking precisely those numbers, the purpose is to equate the expression. So then we are going to distribute the power of 7 to each base. And now the expression is more clear if you follow the colored lines. So A will be 7, and B will be 14, and C will be 7. So substitute that in the fraction. The final answer will be 3. You can repeat the video for further clarity. We are done here, guys. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching.